No matter how your garden looks or how you use it, Husqvarna Automower is ready to take on the job. With no effort from you, our robotic mowers cut your grass to perfection, giving you more free time for the important things. 2 million of them are already out there, taking care of everything from small urban gardens to the largest and most challenging areas. The boundary wire defines the working area of Automower. It helps the mower reach all areas to manage passages. Inside the boundary wire, there is also one or more guide wires. The guide wire helps the mower to find the shortest way back to the charging station and prevents track marks from appearing on your lawn by alternating routes. When your Automower is running out of battery, it will automatically return to the station to recharge. 25 years ago, Husqvarna started the robotic mowing revolution. Today, we're proud to still be known as the world leader. The desire that led to the birth of Automower back in 1995 remains the same: to free up time by giving you a perfectly cut lawn, with no effort on your part. Automower has the lowest noise levels of all robotic mowers on the market. This means you can safely leave it working at any hour of the day. It works in rain and sunshine, all according to your settings. Since Automower is battery-powered, there are no direct emissions or any fuel to worry about. Thanks to the energy-efficient system, the operating cost is very low. We have never stopped adding new features or updating the technology. Our all-wheel drive model that handles slopes up to 70% is one of the latest innovations. Today, we're more certain than ever. There is a robotic mower for every lawn. It's a claim that we love to prove, as much as you love your lawn. Automower is built on ease of use and reliability. All you have to do is tell it when and where to mow. The razor-sharp blades are designed for efficient and continuous mowing. As they're pivoting on the cutting disc, they fold away when they touch other objects than grass. The clippings are so small that they are never spread where you don't want them. Thanks to the nutrition from the micro clippings, your lawn becomes healthier the longer your Automower is out there working. Automower adjusts its mowing in accordance with grass growth and weather conditions. If it enters an area with taller grass, Automower will work in a spiral pattern to even out the difference. Even if you have a complex lawn, full coverage of all areas is ensured by the guide wire. The guide wire and the technology inside the mower help Automower pass through narrow passages and to reach remote work areas. A GPS-assisted navigation inside Automower registers the parts it has covered and then adjusts the mowing pattern. Your mower will learn how your garden looks to ensure perfect coverage. Built-in sensors detect objects and lower the speed to avoid hard collisions. The micro grass clippings disappear into the ground as natural fertilizer. You don't have to do any raking or collecting. Husqvarna Automower is not one single product, it's a whole range. Which model to choose depends on your lawn. Is it small, medium or large? Is it open or complex? Is it plain, uneven or steep? Installation is easy, but your Husqvarna dealer will be happy to assist you or take care of everything for you. Not only does Automower save you hours of work and ensure you always have a perfect lawn, it's smart too. With the Automower Connect app, you can follow its every move. The connectivity is designed to make your mower an integrated part of your smart home. You can use it in digital routines or take full advantage of its open API. By connecting Automower to the Gardena smart system, watering and mowing will cooperate to keep your lawn green and healthy. The Gardena smart system and Automower can both be controlled from the same app, wherever you are. If Automower encounters a temporary obstacle and suddenly stops, you will immediately receive a notification so you can easily solve the problem. Automower is equipped with a personal PIN code, and if someone tries to steal it, you can locate it thanks to the GPS transmitter inside. If a mower is reported stolen, it will not be serviced by a Husqvarna dealer. The benefits and possibilities that Husqvarna Automower adds to your everyday are almost countless. Automower is available globally in our dealer network or can be bought online. Find your perfect match at www.husqvarna.com/automower.